Welcome to Henry channel. Is your USB-C/Thunderbolt port not working? Try with method 1 and 2. I will start with method 1 first. Shut down your laptop. So your HP laptop is completely switched off, no power. Remove any cables attached to any ports, including your AC port. Press and hold down the power button for 30 seconds and then release your finger. Attach your charger tip into the power port so your laptop is charging and press power button to turn on. Boot into Windows or Linux, etc. now. Reinsert your USB Type-C cable into the port and now you should have a working port. Method 2. Download the latest BIOS firmware driver for your HP laptop and install it. And this should hopefully fix your USB-C/Thunderbolt. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe and feel free to buy me a coffee. Please check out the other videos on this channel too.